hotel.
Near at Ocean Park.
Near Ocean Park, so I'm gonna climb over here.
Yeah, gonna sit there.
Hey, you cannot sit properly. Stand properly.
No,
Why?
no. Hello, this is the
Uy,
small.
There's
parang
another big
sa
one.
basket ng damit to. Stripes.
Boy!
Tinakpan.
Oo nga pala.
Basket mo. Stripes. Hi, Mr. Jared.
Yan mo siya. Yan mo siya.
Meaning ni Dongdong.
Stripes!
Bye. Bye.
Is na siya ulit.
Look at my video. This is a Ocean Park hotel. Look at the big fish. Look at this.
Kampal mo isda. Yun.
Ayun na. Stripes! Ayun na, stripes!
Yung itsura niya. Yung red. Yung itsura, oh.
Laki.
Malaki ito pala yan namin.
Malaki to yan. Ano kinakain?
Ang laki. Oh, talakitok yan no? Talakitok.
Nabigyan mo. Ganda oh.
Haba.
Grabe yung mga nakikita sa ilalim ng dagat, no?
Kamukha ni Dada, oh. Sa akin.
Hi!
Lapit, layo.
Ay, nakapag-picture yung stingray sa akin kanina.
Sila nga, Ate Sheena.
Diba dito sa Pinas, ano? Yari. Ito, baka gusto mo experience.
Can we touch? Yay!
Touch mo?
Mawaan yung baby shark
Oh.
yung stingray. Magpa-feeding po kayo.
So? Touch mo dali. Isa?
Oh!
Hindi niya maabot.
Touch mo dali. Get it.
Baka malikit ako.
Masarap. Ayaw niya.
Hi. Kaway.
Hi! Tumi.
Forward. Push.
Uy. And then,
Postcard. Postcard.
Nice.
Hi!
ako makikita may damit na, no?
Welcome to my room. Ito lang makita Jared yung ano. Isog mo na konti.
Try leisure from a great distance. You're rewarded by nature. Baking to provide the fruit, vegetables, insects, and that's river tank fiber with the light background weight, and the really represent the 50 years being proper here. No one is representing both team and work for our reflection. Magkain ng picnic. Welcome to the Mountain Park. Bring your phone.
Hello, everyone! They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Go check that out very from Rock River. And now, let's talk about the swimming abilities. Let's start with Ira, let's do that. Ready, show them what you got. And ready your camera. Well, this is the best one. Steady and... Arriba! For the finale! How about the one from Christina friend for the twin dance number? And another one for the trainers as well. Kiss. Wow. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at the Paligawan ng new friends, the South American Sea Lion, Isis, and Ira.
3, 1, 1, 2.
3, 1, 2. Okay.
Uy, kambal. Napatingin siya eh. Okay, go!
Open the door.
Open na the door. Open na pinto.
Go in, go in.
Wow! Ilaw, ilaw. Wow!
Baka masarado eh.
Iguana!
Dala ko ako balong na.
Yan na yan, nadadaan na. Huwag ka magulo.
Cheese. Ang dami.
Cheese! Ang daming fish!
Fish, ayun.
Ayun na, yun na. Yung dami, yung dami. Huwag ka bubuka ka. Huwag ka bubuka ka. Huwag ka
Uy, may
bubuka ka.
pampano.
Huwag ka bubuka ka.
Favorite ni John.
May pampano.
Smile, ngiti-ngiti. Happy! Smile! Yee!
Lugan ko na una to.
Wow! Under the sea.
Under the sea.
Ayun,
Lang.
puffer fish ba yan? Yan sa
Lang.
taas.
Wait lang.
Puffer fish yun.
Lang.
Ang hirap yung isa eh.
Lang. Lang ako.
Hilabis na nga ako.
Under the sea. Smile!
Jared's friend. Yan. Kiss, kiss. Picture na rin, dali. Ano? Picture.
Ay, Dio. Pumunta tayo doon.
Kami lang yung Jared, kami lang.
Ay, kayo matantak, no? Tapos, kanan kaliwa.
Kanan kaliwa? Ewan ko dyan. Ganon? Ganon?
Dandan.
Jared, tama ka na doon.
Hello. Hello. Nahilo.
Ayan, Canada!
Ang mag-sister ba yan? Jared, dito ka. Jared.
Jared! Video. Kaway! Kaway kayo, kaway. Ako may video na ako sa kanina. Ay, no. Bye, H2O. Jared, ha. Bye. Bye-bye, Ocean Park.